Alrighty, we just got home. Just got home. Damn, I missed this. I was gonna do a video talking about that. If there's one time frame that I had to choose, if there was a gun to my head and they said I have market CIpher and I only have one time frame to trade from, what would it be? It would be the 2 hour. I guess it doesn't matter that I missed this because I was already in a short. Probably would have added a little bit more. It's too late. Too late now. Let's take a look. Beautiful. Wow, boy, I tell you what, market CIpher, there's nothing that comes close. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, see ya. Had a good little warning right here, folks. 1, 2, 3, see ya. Let's see what else we got. Beautiful blood diamond. Beautiful blood diamond. Beautiful, folks. Beautiful. There is no indicator that comes close. I might take my profit right here. Beautiful 4 hour blood diamond right there. Ooh, look at that 8 hour red dot right here. I don't know. You know, we've seen these little steps before with big drops down. Damn, I wish this was a bigger trade. I literally just walked in the door, so I have to be honest. I was in a short, but I mean, I haven't seen, like, I missed, I don't know. That's why I'm sitting here trying to figure out what the hell I'm doing for a second. Our money flow is kind of coming back, which doesn't mean that there still can't be drops. There still can be bigger drops for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm taking it. We're at the low 7/8. Oh! I'm out. Pull up. What do we make right here? Oh. I really. Stupid. Damn it. It's not that big of a deal, I guess. Oh, well, whatever. Yeah, I could have made maybe an extra couple thousands. No big deal. No big deal. It is. I'll be pissed. I really don't like not being in a short. I actually really don't like not. I feel naked. Right now, I feel naked. Right now, this 9 Bitcoin, I feel very naked on. I don't like not being in a short. So we'll see. Maybe if we can come up to 79 or something, that's kind of my immediate thoughts. But we are at a little bottom here. Money flow is coming up a little bit. At least on that time frame. Coming back down here. What day is it today? Sunday? Going into Monday? Where's the arrow thing to get rid of this? See, this looks like this. Kind of our first little hitch, right? Like if we have a couple little hitches down. That's funny. Most people feel naked when not in shorts. That's funny. Can't believe I haven't thought about that. That's a good one. Good job, bro. In the grander scheme of things, we are still, I mean, technically just entering in. There's still a little room. Daily still pushing in. 12 hours still in. We have a little hitch right here. I don't know. This 78 might not be a bad little long entry. I'm not saying longs are, longs are risky as hell right now. That's for sure. But we're under that little 8K. Super risky. Super risky. Super risky. Super risky. VWAP's down weekly, just breaking down. 5-day, we have plenty of room to keep this downward push. Could see a green dot here soon. Two-day green dots have paid off pretty well. This was 34. We still went down to 32. I think there will be one that's going to pop up here. But I still believe it'll be dangerous, this cliff right here. Might not be a bad time, maybe actually, if you're a hodler, maybe buy some Bitcoin. I don't know. I don't know. The daily MFI, we don't have any signs of it evening out just yet. Still bearish. How big was this upward movement right here? Let's see. This went from 34 to 44. That was $1,000 move right here. This was $1,000. What was the percentage? 27. Wow. I think we got out of it. We did. We got out what, 78.10. That was a good little exit. This had me nervous a little bit. Not gonna lie. I was flopping and groping a little bit right here. That would have sucked if I got out and it would have dropped a shit ton more. I'll be right back. Let me grab a drink. Yeah, I don't think longing is really worth it to risk it, even if it only goes. It's not worth maybe a $200 move. I mean, there's always the potential it could go up more, but I don't think so. This downward pressure is way too much. Way too much. Still think we could see one more hitch. This is like a little trailer hitch. We need one more hitch. Although, I am not really expecting this wave to be as big as this wave. So it might not be much more. I'm telling you, just like we talked about in the Swedish Shuffle, I'm telling you. I mean, our like maximum drop was 6,600. That was like what we were saying to the bottom of this channel, and then we might fiddly fart around in here. By the way, we had our interview with Cointelegraph a couple days back. I'm hoping that goes on the website soon. On the Cointelegraph website, that is. Apparently they caught a whiff of the trade, the Big Short. I believe the title is going to be something like, "Masked YouTuber hits $250,000 short. How did he know? How did you know?" I told him, I was like, how did you not know? How did people not know? That's the question. How did they not learn from last time? I talked some shit about the main trading view people too. I was like, are these guys paid or something? Why are people following them? Why do they have such a following when they are so wrong on all the time? All the time. How do they have this huge following? Why don't they have people calling them scammers? Why don't they have death threats like I do? Maybe they do, I don't know. Folks, you go to the website if you want Market Cipher. You don't message me on Discord or send any. Please, CryptoFaceCrypto.com is where you got to go, folks. It's where you got to go. So what I was saying, I was going to do a video today. I literally just got back home from running errands. And in this video, it was going to talk about the probably most successful time frame with Market Cipher. If I had to choose one, it would be the 2 hour. Market Cipher was developed around the 1 hour, and it had the Viagra effect of spreading throughout all time frames and being a beautiful thing around all shit coins and stocks. But there's something about the 2 hour that is the perfect balance in all shapes and fashions. Whether it's Market Cipher B with the waves, bang, bang, she banged, beautiful short entry right here at 81.66. Or if you talk about, you know, a yellow X, boom, one right here, boom, there's yellow X right here, and it dumped down to 78.55. You had the chance to take it. Right here, boom, it dumped down to 77.47. You had the chance to take your profit. It was there. Beautiful red dot separation right here on the candle before. I'm telling you, the 2 hour. If there was one time frame, if I only had one time frame I could choose, it would be the 2. You know, actually this 77, this actually isn't a bad long entry because you can have a tight stop. You can run a tight stop, in my opinion. So maybe I should have switched something over. Oh well. What did I make on that trade? 1.61. All right, so we made almost 1,300 off the off that short. That ain't too shabby. I use Coinbase because Coinbase is the core. That's where the actual true Bitcoin price changes, not Bitmex or Bybit or Kraken, BloFin. Coinbase is the core. Man, I love the 3-minute time frame sometimes. God, I love the 3-minute time frame. Oh, I forgot about my burrito. All right, I'm back. Had to wolf that down real quick. You know what movie's on TV right now? Is the newer Wolf of Wall Street with Shia LaBeouf. And you know what really bothers me in that movie? The redhead girl. The little liberal redhead girl in that movie. Just, man, that's the only bad part about that movie. I am a Wall Street guy. I am a Wall Street guy. It's a fucking douche. I'm a Wall Street guy, babe. My dad. I hate my dad. I think it's on like Showtime or something, one of the HBO channels. Got tortilla and everything stuck in my teeth. If you're just joining us, we already exited the short. Got out of like 7, 8, 10. Steve, thank you for your donation to the Market Cypher Scholarship Fund. What day is it today? Today's Sunday. I think we might kick it off this week. We might kick off the next batch of 5 scholarship. It's I think it's time. Yeah, I think we'll do it this week. Set up an email. And I think I'm going on a little mini vacation in like a week and a half. This month is going to be very, very busy for me. I'm going to be traveling all over the place, like nonstop, going one place, coming back, going another, coming back, going another. I'm not the biggest travel type of person. I'm a bit of a hermit. Too long or not too long? Too long with a little stop right here. From my understanding, Bali is more of a couples type of place to go, but it's in Asia, so I wouldn't doubt if there was whorehouses and stuff like that. That's what Asia does, man. Just don't think the reward opportunity is enough for me to long. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really know what's going to happen next, to be honest with you. I'm looking here and I don't really know. We had our little drop. We had our indications of a drop come in. Look what we have here. Little red right there. Nah, Bitcoin kind of ignores Elliott type of stuff many a time. It's, Bitcoin's different. Well, the yellow expired. Damn, this shit is dropping. 77, is it gonna hold? I mean, this is where the previous bottom was. I don't know. I feel so naked. I feel so naked. Dang, we dropped a little lower than before. I already exited my short. There's the head and shoulders. A head and shoulders. Yeah, I dumped a good amount of Bitcoin that I had earlier today. I let my whale crew know before I did it. When's my Cointelegraph article? I hope they run it. I'll be pissed if they don't end up doing it, if they don't end up publishing it. Yeah, you know, I'm not seeing, you know, I'm not seeing like a good, since I'm out. I mean, there's no point. I don't want to jump back in and hope. I'm not supposed to gamble. We've had 3 X's, you know, now a 4th one. We got a 4th X now. I don't know. I don't know if this is really the time for the next leg down. It could be, though. It certainly could be. In some ways, it certainly could see. I mean, if we go a little sideways here between like 78.50 and 7,700, that's kind of what I would want to see. I would want to see this for our next move down. For me to want to get back in. If I miss it, I miss it. Oh well. I've had plenty of good trades. I will say this, though. The lower the price, the greater the percentage move. You know, maybe if we touch down to like 77 one more time, I can just like pump a 50x leverage, small amount of equity trade, something like that. Maybe I can do something like that. If I lose like 3 or 4 grand, no big deal. Potential kind of a skipping rock formation here, right? The skipping rock, something like that. Shitter Ripple, what a disappointment. Everyone's been waiting for this to have a magic pump for so long, and it just never comes. Beautiful blood diamond indication with Ripple. On the 15th, look at the 2 hour. Wow, would you look at that? Another one. But I don't trust Ripple at all. No thanks. Ferrari hasn't called me. I filled out the inquiry for the car. They haven't called me. I haven't got any messages. They haven't called me. Guess they're just too cool to call the day after. What's going on with gold? Fuck you, I don't care. Everyone's telling me, code my card. I want some car, dude. I don't need a car, dude. I don't care. I don't need the Ferrari right now. I got other shit to take care of. I don't need anyone's fucking car asshole. I got my own car assholes if I want them. So I've been talking. I've had this on mute. It's good. It's good to see a little bounce here. It's good to see a little bounce. I don't feel so naked. If we see this come back down here, maybe even two, that'd be an even better little place, maybe for a low equity, high leverage. You know, longing sucks because it always falls under the target. In our last episode, we talked about, we said Bitcoin was going to go up a little, and that's going to fall short, and it did. It went up real quick to what, like 83.50 something. Went right back down. Common sense can tell you a lot. Give me an example. I was going to talk about this in the video I was going to do too. Right here we have a pump up. It floated a little bit, came down. Then we had another pump. Bam! Instantly shot back down. What does that tell you? That tells you that pushes to the upside are getting weaker and weaker, so there must be a move to the downside. If we get a push up, it hangs a little bit, comes down, then we get a push up, and then an instant crash.